This morning, the Supreme Court will be hearing a case involving alleged faith-based discrimination in the workplace. The case revolves around this man, Gerald Groff, a now former postal worker who said he couldn't work on Sundays when his schedule was changed because of his religious practice of observing the Sabbath. Our Tom Dempsey is live outside the Supreme Court this morning with more on this case. Tom, good morning.
Hey, good morning, Adrienne. Yeah, the question at the very core of this case, should a worker be able to go to church or a religious observance if that causes a, quote, undue hardship on the company or employer? As you said, Gerald Groff remains a central character of this Supreme Court case. He used to work as a mail carrier in rural Pennsylvania and says he used to love the job. But things changed a few years ago when the United States Postal Service began delivering Amazon packages on Sunday. Groff is Christian and told his bosses he couldn't work on Sundays, saying to deliver packages on the Lord's Day would be to give up everything he believes in. Groff offered to work extra shifts and holidays to avoid working on Sundays, but USPS wasn't always able to find replacements. He resigned from his job back in 2019 and then followed with this religious discrimination lawsuit that's now before the nation's highest court.
We really can't go back and change what happened to me, but we can reaffirm the law or clarify it, however you want to put it, and to keep this from happening to somebody else who has a genuine conviction about, their faith, and they shouldn't have to choose between their job and their faith.
Now, part of this case will revolve around another Supreme Court decision made back in the 1970s involving Trans World Airlines. Employers cannot fire someone for practicing their faith unless the company or employer can show that the worker's religious observance cannot be reasonably accommodated without, quote, undue hardship. In a brief filed with the court, the Biden administration wrote that the ultimate decision with the law should be made by Congress before writing, quote, that accommodating Groff in this case, quote, would have imposed an undue hardship on USPS by requiring it to violate its memorandum of understanding with the union, operate with insufficient staff, and burden workers, burdens that actually contributed to other employees quitting or transferring. Again, an interesting case to watch here because there's big questions being asked about the impact of this case on things like seniority systems at workplaces and if there could be, workplace friction if special accommodations are needing to be made for religious workers. Opening arguments, oral arguments are scheduled for 10 a.m. Eastern time here in D.C., but a decision isn't expected until June at the earliest.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.